Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a complete professional grade skateboard made from high quality maple wood, designed for riders of all ages: adults, teens, kids, beginners, and even experienced skaters. This skateboard comes fully assembled, which means you can take it out of the box and start riding immediately. No complicated setup, no extra tools required. And on top of that, you also get a skate tool and stickers, which is a great bonus for maintenance and personalization. The deck is constructed from multi-layer maple wood, usually a 7-ply structure, which is the industry standard for durability, flexibility, and strength. Maple wood provides excellent pop for tricks while still absorbing impact from jumps and rough surfaces. This makes the board suitable for street skating, park skating, cruising, and basic tricks. The trucks are built for stability and control, allowing smooth turning while maintaining balance at higher speeds. This is especially important for beginners learning balance, as well as intermediate riders practicing ollies, kick flips, or carving. The wheels are designed for a smooth and controlled ride, offering good grip on asphalt, concrete, and skate park surfaces. Combined with quality bearings, the board rolls smoothly and maintains momentum with less effort, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Grip tape is pre-applied with a high traction surface, ensuring your feet stay locked in place during rides and tricks. This improves safety and confidence, especially for kids and teens who are just starting out. Because this skateboard is suitable for boys and girls of different age groups, it works great as a gift, a beginner board, or even a daily practice skateboard. Whether you're commuting short distances, learning tricks, or skating recreationally, this complete setup gives you everything you need to start riding immediately. If you want a reliable, durable, and ready-to-ride skateboard, this complete maple wood skateboard is a solid choice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a complete professional grade skateboard made from high quality maple wood, designed for riders of all ages: adults, teens,